What if I told you you don't need a business, you don't need crypto luck, and you definitely don't need to be rich to double your money? In fact, most people could do it faster than they think. They just don't understand one thing. Not investing, not income, but leverage. We grow up believing money doubles slowly. Work harder, save more, wait decades. That's the traditional path. Linear effort, linear results. But here's the truth. Nobody explains clearly. Wealth doesn't grow in straight lines. It grows in curves. Most people think doubling money takes forever because they're using the slowest tools possible. Savings accounts, low interest habits, lifestyle inflation. They're climbing a mountain with ankle weights. There's a simple rule used by investors for decades. It's called the Rule of 72. Divide 72 by your return. And that's how many years it takes to double your money. 6% return, 12 years, 12% return, 6 years, 18% return, 4 years. The difference isn't time, it's strategy. This is where most people wake up, because doubling money isn't about waiting longer. It's about increasing the speed. So why doesn't everyone do it? Because faster growth requires discomfort. It requires saying no to normal, no to flashy upgrades, no to keeping up with people who are broke but look rich. The average person doubles their expenses before they ever double their investments. They get a raise and upgrade their life. New car, better phone, bigger rent. But wealthy thinkers do the opposite. They upgrade their assets first, then let life catch up later. That single mindset shift changes everything. If you want to double your money faster, focus on 3 accelerators. First, increase your investment rate, not just returns, contribution. Putting in more consistently beats timing the market. Second, increase your skill value. Your income is the engine. Investments are the fuel. Higher skills equals faster doubling power. Third, protect your focus. Every distraction costs compounding time. Bad financial decisions don't just lose money, they steal years. A $5,000 mistake today could cost $50,000 in future growth. Time is the real multiplier. Here's the shift that separates wealthy people from everyone else. They don't ask, how long will this take? They ask, how can I shorten the timeline? Different question, different life. They compress decades into years because they understand speed is a choice, not luck, not talent, strategy. So if you want to double your money faster than you think, stop chasing shortcuts. Start increasing clarity, increase discipline, increase leverage. Because once you understand how money actually multiplies, you stop playing the long game blindly and start playing it intelligently.